Calibrate first. Welcome po basketball fans. Another Friday night basketball action for the final game. Will be played by two teams. This will be for between QDF, clad in yellow combination po yan, versus the Mechanicos, clad in white. This is your aviation friendly league, doubles of flying league. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC Hanep Padra, Thread and Needles, and of course, SBB Pilipinas, Ako Referee Association, and PSBQ Basketball League. Third game for tonight between we'll be playing between QDF versus Mechanicos. Okay, first quarter action about to start right now. Calling now our Okay, guys. First quarter action now. Calling. First quarter action. First quarter action. Calling both teams. Kulang ang Mechanicos. Medyo malalim po ang bench ng QDF. Okay, final game for tonight. And thank you pala po sa ARA o Ako Referee Association, ARA, Ako Referee Association po ng SBB Pilipinas for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Okay, ARA po, SPB ARA. Yan po, Samahan Basketball Pilipinas po, Association of Ako Referees Association. Okay, final game for tonight po. Friday basketball action is about to end right now. Will be played now between QDF, clad in yellow combination po yan, versus white po, yan po ang The Mechanicos. Okay. Until now, wala pa rin pong talo ang projects. 4 na po sila. 4-0 na po. Okay. Calling now QDF for your first lineup, please. QDF po, yung unang pambato nyo po. First starters nyo po. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po. QDF, calling now your coach, QDF. First 5 for QDF. Dito na po, of course, si Natalisik, si Ying, si 11, si 20, at si number 26. Kabila naman po. Kabila po si team 14. Si So, number 10, at si number 15. Okay, first quarter start right now in 3, 2, 1. Game start. Okay. Okay, Hatim versus number 11 sa jump ball. Okay, jump now won by the white shirts. Number 11, driving, malakas. Balik tayo. Balik sa dilaw ang bola. First possession won by the white shirts. And 11, Bajola. Nice hustle play. White shirts, Mechanicos. Depolito. Foul. Blocking foul. Number 15, called for the block. Again. Ying. 10 seconds to shoot. Talisik pops up. No good. Rebound 15. Fernandez. 14. So, Badjola. Fernandez pops up. Naku, malakas. Hatim. Whop shot. Wala. Foul. Who's pa rep? Offensive foul. So, calling for the push. Ay, sorry. 15. 15 calling for the push. Ying. Pops up. Ano yun? Same ball. Yellow ball. Ying. Blocking foul. Badjola. Badjola called for a block. Bang, bang. Ying, number 0. It's in. First point for Mechanicos. Second shot ni Ying. Second throw by Ying. Uy! Nice interception. Ying. 20. Golden shot. Wala. Ying. Power move. And ako, sayang. Number 10. Nice power move by Ying. Ying, number 0, shooting for 2. It's in. 2-0. Tunan. Ying, second throw. Pasok, 3-0. 3-0, score po natin. Lamang po ang Mechanicos. Lutero, for 3. No good. Isa pa tao, good ball. Wala, di umabot. Di pa umabot. 7-10 remaining. First quarter action still. Kalma, naku po. Traveling violation called by Kalma. Kalma call for the travel. Still 3-0 po tayo. 6:51 remaining. Handaan nyo na po ang second unit nyo po. Maraming salamat po. Lutero. Lutero, so. Against Talisik. Hatim. 2 points sa team. Nice shot, Betim. Ying. Good ball. Again, Kalma. Kalma. Floater shot. Naku, sayang. Hatim naka-rebound. Badjola. So, malakas. Foul. Talisik called for a foul. 6:02 remaining. 2 shots awarded para kay Mr. So. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Wala. Rebound, Badjola, hindi. Kalma, naka-rebound. Talisik. Hipolito. Ying. Ying. Wala. Foul on Fernandez. Don't speak.
Fernandez, third foul.
No time. Where to go to the way? There's gonna be a boat. Out of bounds. Yellow ball. In the eye of the sky, and you the truth to la la la. A team power move. 2 points sa team. 5-20 remaining. Laman na po ang QD pang ng dalawa. Ng isa. 3-4. Low. So, naka-rebound. Foul.
Saan na po tayo? Change by.
Okay, change pa. Dapat na po change pa po natin. Okay, para po sa mekaniko, sila po ang pinapamalit po nila, si number 10. Sa kabila po si Roy, si Hashim, number 18, number 5, at si number 28. Number 5. Jazz. Wala. Rebound battle 1 by the white shirts. Harsha. Foul. Harsha. Yinko for the foul. Jazz. Jazz. Wala. Rebound by Ying. Nice hustle play ni Ying. Brainy. Grabe. Brainy. Ying inbounding for Kalma. Kalma number 11. Hipolito po position. Ayaw ni Kalma muna. Vlad to Kalma. Hipolito. Hipolito to Kalma. Kalma pops up for 3. Tapos, rebound by Ying. Wala pa rin. 20. Dalaw sila. Tang 2 points. Kalma. 11. Kalma. Number 20. Number 10. Out of bounds. Okay, lead referees.
4 seconds, 4 seconds.
Okay, same ball. Sabi ng referee ng lead referee, si Left King.
4 seconds.
Left King says same ball. 4 seconds remaining. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Roy. Walang pinasahan. 3-1 remaining. Tapos, ayun, pumasok. Ang galing yun. 25, 2 points. Sorry, 20 pala. Limotan, 2 points. 2:27 remaining. Naipit, Tan. Nope, it's white ball. Polito, 25. Ying. Vlad. Limutan. Vlad sa ilalim. Vlad, hoop shot. No good.
Number 18.
Roy, foul.
Kalma.
Palong kalma.
First foul.
Roy shooting for 2. Nope. Second shot for Roy, number 7, QDF. No good. Rebound battle one by the white shirts. Vlad, binababa ang bola. Ying, binababa ang bola ni Ying, kinaliwa, wala. Harsha, Tan, 2 points Tan. Wala pa rin. Tan, Roy, foul.
Foul on number 10.
Number 10 called for a foul, that's Vlad. Roy for 2 shots. It's in. First shot is in. Second throw, jumper's ready. It's out. Rebound, out of bounds. Yellow ball. Pep, first pa lang, no? Okay. Pops up. Wala. Foul.
Japanese.
Ouch na ano.
35.
James Jonas Manapat is watching. Hello po si sir. Mega love shoutout po. Ying. Vlad. Power move. Labas. Kayo muna tayo. Ying. Pops number 3. Pasok kay Ying. Lamang ng isa po ang QDF. Lost ball. Hipolito. Kapos. Nice one. Okay, the score is 10-9. Lamang po ng isa ang The Mechanicos. You're watching right now Mechanicos versus QDF. And of course, bukas po tayo meron po tayong basketball action between una po yan po for tomorrow's game, first game for Saturday basketball action, Cast versus the Hub. And of course, next game po is the Sky Team versus QR Towers. Next game po yan po. Saturday basketball action po tayo yan. For the meantime, final game po tayo between QDF versus Mechanicos. Okay, Gabi, 17, shoot, 17, inbounding. Cruz. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by the white shirts. Binato kagad kay Hipolito. Dinaretso sa mag-isa. Puta ko nila ba? Sayang. Binomba, malakas. Out of bounds, sana, pero hindi. And 3 seconds. Traveling violation tinawag. Balik muli po sa Mechanicos ang bola. Bola po ng The Mechanicos. Hipolito. Kalma. Si Ying nagpapahinga muna sa labas. Kalma. Talisik.
Time for 3.
Out of bounds. Yellow shirt. Yellow ball. Ball po ng dilaw. Arugay. Ishbon. Arnan. Arugay. 2 points sa Arugay. 10-11. Namapuli po ang QDF ng isa. 8:28 remaining. Kalma. Rap play, galing! 2 points, Kalma. Nice play by Kalma. Okay, muli po ang The Mechanicos. Nabang na isa, 12-11. Arugay for 3. No good. Rebound by Vlad. Now to Kalma again. Kalma, binababa ang bola. Kalma, binababa ang bola. Kalma, Kalma. Kalma for 3. In and out. And to be to one. Arnan for 3. No good. Arugay. Nakakuha na Arugay ang bola. Pops. Oy! The jumping or traveling violation. Talisik.
Kalma.
Kalma.
Libotan.
Libotan. Wala. Malakas. 13. Pops up. Ishbon. Malakas. Ayan. Cruz. For Talisik. Vlad. Number 10. 2 points, Vlad. Number 10, Vlad. 2 points. And balik muli po tayo sa tatlo kalamangan po para sa Mechanicos. Ishbon. Talisik. Talisik. What a shot with Talisik. Traveling violation. Mechanicos, timeout. Para ano? Para magkaroon ng hangin. Ay, sorry. Natabig. This is a Aviation Friendly League, Dabas of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Ito po yan, Aviation Friendly Dabas of Flying League. Thread Needles and Team LBC 100 padala. SPB Doha ARA, ako Referee Association, and PSB Basketball League, and of course QDF versus Mechanicos po tayo, ating pong third game sa gabing ito. Back to the ball game. White ball. 5:53 remaining. Second quarter action. Kalma. Nawala. Naipit. Nawala rin. 2 points kagad. Dibotan. Good ball. Kalma naman. Hipolito. Kalma sa ilalim. 2 points. Okay, stepping violation. White ball pa.
O, sabda mo tayo. Change
5 tayo. Okay, para sa Mechanicos, Ying lang ang papasok. White ball tayo. Ralph Castor is watching. Si Matthias Sando is watching also. .507 remaining. Lutero, binababa ang bola.
Lotero. Jazz.
Jazz. Pajola. So, power move. 2 points so. Foul! Ouch! Teka lang, ano lang, nadaalog. So, called for a foul. Ying shooting for 2. 4:21 remaining. 20-30 na score po natin. Ying, first shot. Pasok. Ying, second throw. Jumpers ready tayo. No good. Rebound by Lutero. Kay Bajola. Bajola, malakas. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Ito, patay buti. Ying, 2 points. Kapos. Foul. Jazz. 2 shots given. Laman po ng 10 ang Team Mecanicos. 23-13. Kapos. Second throw Mecanicos. Pops up. Wala. Foul!
Time out!
Time out on Mecanicos. Game. Polito. Polito. Symbol. Limutan. Out of bounds. Nice D by So. Nice power by So. 23-15 lamang ng 8. Ying. Ying. Limutan. Kalma. Out of bounds. Yellow ball. Sorry. Out of bounds, same ball.
8 seconds to shoot.
8 seconds remaining to shoot.
Shot clock, 8 seconds.
A minute to 37 remaining. Ying for 3. Kapos. So. Nice one kay Lutero. 2 points Lutero. Lamang po ng 6, 2017. Hipolito. Kalma. Foul. Tumlog, matulog.
4-1-8. Warning, 58 seconds.
Okay, Kalma, inbounding.
Shot clock.
Kalma for 3. 3 points, Kalma. 43 seconds remaining. Lutero. Wala. Nice. Hatim. And nice dive to Hipolito. Muntik na. Okay, after 2 quarters, the score is 26-17. Lamang po ng siyam ang team QD, ang team Mechanicos.
Limang free throws. QDF.
Okay, since na lima lang sila kasi dumating o anim, merong 5 free throws po in-award po para sa QDF. May ruling po kasi rito, pag kasi kulang kayo, meron kayong penalty free throws para sa inyo. Laban sa inyo.
Wala sa loob, hindi pwede na.
Okay, 5 shots po awarded sa QDF. Okay. Penalty free throws for QDF. Ilang lap? Rep King, ilang binigay? 5? 5 shots given. QDF. Kapos. Isa pa. One free throw, one player do po ang labanan. Second shot for Hashim. For Harsha rather. It's out. Arugay. Kapos. Fernandez. Last one, Roy. Last one, number 7, Roy, shooting with the ball for the penalty free throws. Okay, third quarter action start right now. Mechanicos inbounding. White ball, Hipolito inbounding. Hipolito for the Mechanicos. And kay Calma. Nice. Calma. Pops up, Talisig, wala. Rebound by Roy. Harsha, and one play. Nice hustle play by Harsha.
Number 10, third foul on that.
Harsha, bonus free throw. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 2-point lead advantage now for Mechanicals over QDF. Hipolito, number 11. Vlad, wala. Rebound, battle won by the yellow shirts. Nice one! Tabla! 26 all tayo. QDF. Tablado na po tayo. Got 26. First deadlock of the game. After some while. Vlad. Hipolito. Calma. Talisik. Wala. And one play sana. Pelimotan. Limutan. Okay, lamang muli po ang team Mechanicos. Again, 14. Harsha. Roy. 14. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Good ball, good ball. Ayun! Wala. Rebound. By Limutan. Walang pinasahan si Limutan. Halo. And one play again by Harsha.
Lamang na. Number 11, Kalma, second foul.
Again, Harsha for the bonus free throw. Pops up. 3-point play made. 3-point play finished. 7:47 remaining. Talisik.
Lamang na ang QDF.
Sing, nagpapahinga lang. Talisik. Kalma. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound the yellow shirts again on the attack. Halo. Wala. Rebound by Talisik. Kalma. Vlad. Malalim. Rebound by Harsha. Traveling violation. Hindi niya na control.
Pwede na tayo ng saba.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds again. Again, yellow ball. Harsha, 2 points. Timeout called by Mechanicals. Back to the ball game. Limutan, Hipolito. Kalma. Pops up Ying. No, it's Talisik. Wala. Malakas ang pasa. Ying. Wala. Harsha. Wala. And one play for Kalo. Kalo and one play.
Substitution. Hipolito first foul. Six-point lead na po.
No good. Harsha again. Harsha again. Ayun kay Roy. Strip away. Walang foul. 5:22 remaining. Shout out kay The Instant Sensation, kay Mr. Duma. From Mr. Duma. Maling pinasahan. Di ako kasama rito. Ano ba kayo? Huwag isama rito. Okay, same ball. White ball po tayo. White ball po tayo. Sabi po ni Mr. Duma, shoutout kay The Indian Sensation. Mr. Harsha. Kalma for 3. No good. Out of line.
Substitution.
Saan pa pang siya, no? Kiko. Kalo again for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by the yellow shirts. Kalma, last touch po. Roy. Harsha. It's so pops up. Bang! Nice shot by So.
8-point lead na.
8-point lead advantage already now being enjoyed now by QDF. Mr. Harsha, Danger Sensation. Talisik for 3. No good. Rebound now by Mr. Roy. Lotero. Binababa ang bola. Roy. Pinato. Traveling violation ka doon, boy.
Sana, kaso, nakuha yung traveling.
Talisik. Foul. Foul. Ouch. No. Okay, kalma. Labas muna para magpahinga for Mr. Vlad. Talisik for the inbound. Tumama. Talisik. Hipolito. Talisik again. Ying. Hipolito.
10 to shoot.
Calm. Ying. Out of bounds. Di pumasok. Again, on the run. Dutero.
1-on-1.
Harsha. Sokalo. Wala.
Ito, second foul.
Okay, pops up. It's out. Kalo out. First shot ni Kalo, hindi pumasok. Second shot. Kalo, second throw. Pasok ang bola. Substitution muna po tayo. Hatim in. Para kanino? Para kay Roy. Pahingin muna kay si Roy para sa fourth quarter. Talisik. 27-36. 2:50 remaining. Talisik for 3. Bang! Talisik. Dan San Miguel is watching. Laman na po ng alim ang QDF. Patin, pops up, wala. Vlad, binamadali. 2-on-3 situation. Vlad, Ying, Palpal. Numotan, 2 points. Okay, 4 lang kalamangan ng yung QDF.
4-point.
Lutero. So, Harsha. Palpal. Hop. Yellow ball. Lost ball, walang tawag. Again, on the run, 2-on-2. Hipolito Kapos. Rebound by Kalo. Harsha. So, pops up. Nope. Rebound Hipolito again. Hipolito against sa team. Vlad, running shot. Wala. Rebound by Ying. Vlad. Wala pa rin. Foul. Holding foul.
Sa defense.
Talisik, pops up. Wala. Hatim, hinabol ang bola. 50 seconds remaining.
45.
45 seconds. Kuso. Lutero. Ayun, sa ilalim. Pops up. Traveling violation called. Out of bounds. Go number 4 po ng QDEP, sabi ni Montesilio. No good. 15 seconds remaining. Third quarter action.
Second foul, 27.
32-36.
30 foul, 34.
Vlad inbounding. Ying.
10.
Pops up. Pasok ang bola.
5.
Laman ng isa, laman ng isa. Okay, after 3 quarters po, laman po ng isa ang QDF. 35-36. Final 10 minutes coming up after these messages. Ano po yun, Mr. Arvin G. Vlogs? Ito po yun. Okay, you're watching right now QDEP versus Mechanicos. And tomorrow po tayo, first game for tomorrow po is Cast versus The Hub. And second game po tayo will be between Sky Team versus QR Towers. This is your aviation friendly, The Basta Fly. Sir, dito po. Isbon. Gitna po, gitna daw, gitna. Thank you. Isbon. Hatim. 35-36. 9:58 remaining. Roy. Malakas. Hatim. Wala pa rin. Hipolito again. Pa! Block. Nice block. Kalma. Nice one. Naku, nilabas. Foul.
Third foul, Kalma.
Lutero, 14. Pops up. Malakas. Again, on the run, white shirts. Hipolito again. Wala. Malakas. Kala. Talisik. Hipolito again. Ying. Hipolito.
10 shot lang.
Kalma for 3. No good. Rebound by Ying. Again, one more time. Wala. Dumulas ang bola. Atin. Foul by Talisik. Duty foul kay Talisik.
Foul. Talisik, second ball.
Duty foul kay Talisik. Roy. Foul!
Foul number 20. Substitution.
Roy, first shot. Wala. Second throw, Roy. Wala pa rin. Ying! Walang foul, walang foul. So, up. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul on So. Tapos. Talisik, kick pass, kicking. Ying. Ying, tapos. Harsha, foul. Who's foul rep?
Foul number 20, second foul.
Number 20 by Limotan, called for a foul. Harsha shooting for 2. 35-36 score po natin at 6:59 remaining fourth quarter action. Harsha first shot. It's in.
First try basket.
Harsha second throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw by Harsha. Pops up. Tapos. Rebound. Pops up.
Number 13.
It's gone. 2 points. Now, apat muli kalamangan ng team QDF over Mechanicos.
4.3.
Kalma. Kalma. Malakas. So, clear the boards. Good ball. White ball. Balik tayo. Talisik. Hipolito. Hipolito, binababa ang bola. Apat na kalamangan ng QDF. 6:09 remaining.
Talisik. Libutan. Kalma.
Kalma.
Time to shoot.
Ying! Palpal! Walang foul.
Number 13.
Malalim.
Hipolito. Foul on Harsha.
Harsha called for the foul.
Substitution.
Okay, 10 na po tayo. Labas muna si Lutero. 18, pumasok muna. Kalma, maging ba ng ball si Kalma? Kalma for the inbound. Talisik. Talisik. Double team. Limotan. Kalma! Nice one by Kalma. Turnaround shot by Kalma is good. 5:15 remaining. Wala. Roy, 2 points by Roy. Iba talaga pag matangalo, pag malaki ang mga galamay. Talisik.
Intercept. Alsa. Same ball.
Same ball, yellow ball. Same ball, yellow ball. So. Palakas.
Alsa.
Call siya. Whoop. And one play.
By Alsa. Game second foul.
37-41 naman na po. Time out muna po tayo ang Mechanicos. Mechanicos called for the timeout.
Bonus shot of Arsha.
Pasok.
Number 10.
Ball number 10.
Wala pa. First wala nila.
Sorry.
Number 10, third foul.
Number 10, third foul. Badjola called for the third foul. 37-44. Kalma. Hipolito. Ying. Ying, 2 points. 5. Binato ng bola kay Harsha. Jazz.
10
Badjola. Roy. 2 points by Roy. 3:30 remaining. 3:25 remaining. Limotan.
Liputan.
Vlad.
Vlad.
Wala. Walang pinasahan. .302 remaining. Roy. Roy, 2 points. Badjola. No, it's Calma. Hipolito. Ouch. Fourth on 48.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 38 seconds.
Oh my. Bali talaga. Hindi, di mano, walang ano yun.
Ito na ako, walang talo dito.
Roy, can you move your hand? Roy, can you move your hand? Check nyo kung may respond yung hand. Ano ba yun? Ano ba ba? Gumagano, nagagalaw niya yun. Nagagalaw niya. Ano lang. Oh, dahan-dahan lang. Nagagalaw niya. Pero ano lang, dahan-dahan lang. Napuwersa kasi. Okay, 48-41, still QDF. Lamang pa rin po tayo. Okay, Badjola, binababa ang bola. Badjola. Jazz. So again, Harsha. Hipolito, nagmamadali. Hipolito, 2 points, Hipolito. 43-48. Last 2 minutes. Again. Vlad, again. Kalo. Badjola. Again, Vlad. Hipolito. Ying. Malakas. I'm 137 min. Lamang po 5 QDF. Harsha. Badjola. Jazz for 3. Kapos. Harsha nakaribang.
Number 30,
Foul.
Number 10, foul. Penalty. 2 free throw awarded to Mr. Harsha.
Dahan-dahan lang. Slowly. Harsha, first shot good. Second throw, Harsha. Pasok pareho. Foul. Vlad, number 10. Vlad. Ying. Pops up. Wala. Vlad. Nako, sayang. Foul. 28 seconds remaining, fourth quarter action. The score is 43-15. Timeout, QDF.
15 and 43. Remaining score 15 and 43. 7 points in favor of yellow. Back to the ball game.
Tulog tayo.
Remaining time 28 seconds.
28 seconds remaining. Limotan.
Free throw awarded to number 20. First
Pops up. It's out. Second throw by Limotan. Jumpers ready po tayo. Lumutang second throw, jumpers ready tayo.
Last throw. Hit by number 20.
Lumutang, second shot. Bawal yan, bawal yan, bawal yan.
Intentional.
Hindi pwedeng intentional po.
Young boy. 50 and 43.
Foul.
Foul number 0.
Number 0 called for a foul. Penalty situation.
Third personal foul.
26 remaining.
2 free throw awarded to number 28.
Okay, Kalo. Kalo, 28.
First throw.
Pasok.
Yes for 1 point. Hit by number 38.
Second throw by Kalo. Jumpers ready. Kalo. Number 28. Kalo.
Jumpers ready. Last throw.
Both basket, man. Okay, safety basket na lang tayo.
23 seconds. 20. Number 11. Number 11 to win.
Wala na.
There's a whistle.
Okay, safety basket na lang tayo. 11 seconds na lang yan.
11 seconds. One score.
Okay.
52 and 23 in favor of
Laman po ng Siam ang QDF. I think it is now looking now to be QDF's victory already at 11 seconds remaining sa ating 14th final quarter.
free throw award to number 15, Mr. Hernandez.
Walang Martin Evaristo lang ang ginagamit ko yung second FB page ko.
Yes.
Martin Evaristo.
Next score 53-43.
Wala pa, gagawa pa. Gagawa master page.
Last throw. Jumpers ready. Number 15, second throw.
Jumpers ready, pops up. Pasok. Labas.
10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5.
Okay, that's it.
Final score 53 and 43 in favor of yellow. Congratulations.
Okay, you have watched now the final game for the day's action between QDEP and Mechanicals. Congratulations po sa QDEP for winning the ball game. And for tomorrow's game po, the first game po tayo is Cast versus Hub. And of course, QR Towers versus the Sky Team. Maraming salamat po and QDEP winning the game over Mechanicals. Thank you very much po. Ito bang AFL aka the Flying League.